Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Base Tech. Today we learn how to make this twisted ring. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will create a half circle on top plane. Okay, the radius will be 60 mm. We will change the unit here. Okay, after that we'll create a line on the front plane that would be 40 mm long. Now we'll coincident with the midpoint of this line with this point. Okay, then okay, now we'll click on surface features, then swept surface, click this and this profile, twist 90 degree. We will flip this. Okay, now we'll offset the surface 0 mm. Okay, now we'll thicken the surface. Five mm from both sides. Okay, then we will cut on top. The ellipse size 30, 20, and center will be okay. Then click okay, select direction. For direction we'll select mid plane. Okay, then we will take face curve from here. One. Okay guys, now we'll curve pattern. Direction, for direction I will select the 3D sketch, select this. Okay, click on transform curve, then align to seed, transition to curve. Okay, click here face normal, then select this face. Okay, now hide this surface. After that flat these cuts with 3 mm. Okay, click OK. Then take a axis, front and top. Okay, then go in direct editing, click on move body, select this body, rotate about this axis 180 degree. Okay, now hide this sketch or axis, then combine this body. Okay, then click again on move body, and select this body. Okay, about y axis it should be 135 degree. Okay, go again in this, and it should be 0, and this should be 135 degree. Now it's okay, you can see. And then okay, now your twisted ring is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoy, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye bye.